Hey friends, it's Jenna. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick tips video. So this is something I learned maybe a week ago, and it has helped me to be a lot more efficient, a lot faster with my photo editing process. I immediately wanted to make a video and share it with you all in hopes that it will help you as well. And this has to do with the app Pic Tap Go. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, I actually have a whole video about how I edit my photos for my Poshmark listings. I'm gonna link that video down in the description box below. If you haven't seen it, definitely check it out because this will probably make a lot more sense. And I'm not going into my whole thought process and steps behind editing. This is just a tip to help you use the app Pic Tap Go more efficiently. So I was on Instagram last week when I learned this tip, and I gotta give credit where credit is due. I was watching Southern Stone's Instagram story. I'm gonna put her handle on the screen, and I believe she mentioned she learned this from Posh Bellwether, so I'm going to put her handle on the screen as well. But I absolutely love the Instagram community because I can learn from other sellers as well, so definitely check them out on Instagram. Check me out on Instagram, EMPTYHANGER, shameless self promo. But I was watching her stories like I mentioned, and she mentioned the shortcut for using Pic Tap Go on the iPhone. I started doing it that same day, and let me tell you, I can now edit my photos so much faster, and it cuts out so many middle steps. So what I'm going to do is switch views here so you can follow along while I'm editing on my screen and just show you exactly the steps on how to edit faster with Pic Tap Go. So I have my home screen open, and I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it can be to edit your photos. And first you want to make sure that you have the app Pic Tap Go downloaded. It's this one right here, the one I talk about in that video I mentioned earlier on how I edit my photos. So once that's downloaded, you want to go to your Photos app, and this is where the shortcut happens. So you open up your photo album, and in here, tons of pics of clothing. If you guys are resellers like me, this is probably what your album looks like as well. So what I'm gonna do is click a photo to edit. I'm gonna choose this pair of shoes that I have, and I'm gonna click edit in the top right corner. Now I want to edit the photo with Pic Tap Go, and I'm gonna be able to do that by adding that tool into the toolbar. So I click the three dots in the bottom right corner, and then I click on the three dots again. And here I have my list of photo editing apps I can choose from. I'm going to choose Pic Tap Go and hit done. Now that app is at the bottom in the bar, and I will click on Pic Tap Go. And now I can use any of the features within the app. So for me, I personally like to use the filters. I talked about this in that video, and the two I use the most are lights on and bright side. I use lights on like 99% of the time, so I'm gonna select lights on. It's gonna apply the filter, and I never use it full strength. I like to bring it down just a little depending on the item and have it look as true to color as possible. So I'm gonna hit done, and it's going to save the photo. I just hit done again, and it's changed it in the photo album. Before, if you edit within the Pic Tap Go app, it saves it as a copy of the photo, and you have to delete the old one, but now I just have the edited photo in there, which is really nice. And then I'm going to do it again on another item. I'll click this t-shirt that I have. So now when you hit edit, you click on the three little dots in the bottom, and this time Pic Tap Go is already there since we added it to our toolbar before. So I'm going to select Pic Tap Go, and again I have my style, which is all my favorite features or filters. I'm going to select lights on, and then again I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. If you hold down on the photo, it shows you, the before and after. It's showing up a little different on camera, but I really like the way that filter looks. You're just gonna hit done again, and it's going to save it. And then let's do one more. So it's just super fast. You just hit edit, the three dots in the bottom, Pic Tap Go on the toolbar, and then whatever filter or adjustment you wanna do, adjust that down a little bit. That's the before, that's the after. You're gonna hit done, and then it's going to save it. So now I can edit my photos super fast. I don't have to worry about switching back and forth between this app and Pic Tap Go. I can just do it all in my photo album. I take all my photos on my phone. Now I edit them on my phone, and then I list on my phone. So that is the shortcut. So that's it for this video about the shortcut for using Pic Tap Go to edit your photos, whether they be for your Poshmark listings or just for whatever you use your photos for. I hope you enjoyed this format. Let me know down in the comment section below if you did, if you want to see more quick tips types of videos, or just give this video a thumbs up. That also helps to let me know that you want more content like this. I would really appreciate it. And hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel already. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.